Damn. You can actually see the tire in there.
Alright guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, remember to click that red button at the bottom of the screen so that you are subscribed. And today we'll be taking out the R1. You guys saw me take out the S1000RR in the first video, so I decided to take the R1 today. We're gonna go to the workshop and start the rebuild. I bet you guys are excited to see that. Cold start. Every time I start the R1, it just sounds like it doesn't want to start. It sounds so dead, like it's not in the mood. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. Don't turn red. Don't turn red. Ah, damn it. Traffic, 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 traffic. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Oh man, this thing needs a downshift. I like the S1000's up and downshifter. This one is so boring.
Alright guys, now that we made it to the workshop, before we start today's video, you're probably wondering if I've ever rebuilt a motorcycle, and yes indeed I have. I've never documented it, but I decided from now on I will be documenting it. So it was a 2010 CBR 1000RR. This is what the bike looked like before I started working on it, and then when I finished it, it looked like this. I never documented it. It's old photos that I found, but now that you know I can rebuild the motorcycle and I can make it look nice, let's get into today's video. We're probably going to start finishing up stripping the fairings and then maybe move on to the wheels.
Oh man, guys, check this out.
It seems like the stabilizer snapped off of the triple clamp, snapped off right over there, and then snapped off over there. So we'll see if we can get it welded, otherwise we might have to buy a new triple clamp. Luckily this does just screw off of here, so we don't need to buy a new stabilizer because those are pretty expensive. But the stabilizer does look fine. Everything's turning properly. The bike must have taken a bad knock when it fell, because it does take a lot of pressure to snap this off. At least we know now why the steering was bad. But now that we've got that out of the way, let's continue stripping the rest of the bike. Alright guys, now that we've finished taking off the fairings, let's go ahead and remove the rear rim. Alright guys, now that we've removed the fairings and the wheel, let's go ahead and remove the tank to see if we've got a stock filter or if we've got a performance filter. Alright guys, looks like it still does have its stock air filter. Let me know in the comments down below if you think I should put a performance filter in it, or maybe I should keep it stock. I'm not sure. There's a lot of theory into stock air filters and performance air filters, but let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. And with that being said, that is going to be a wrap for this video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're not subscribed, smash that subscribe button, put on your post notifications so that you're notified when I upload a new video. If you're not sure what that is, it is the bell icon at the bottom of the screen next to the subscribe button. Peace.